family? Black Phoenix checking in, man. Sitting up at the gas station right now. Just getting me some coffee and checking out the scenery. And you know what I was just thinking, man? In this life, it's easy to get sidetracked. It's easy to lose focus on what you really want to do in life and what your purpose is. Keep that in mind. If your purpose is just to work a regular job and go home and kick it on the weekends and visit loved ones, that's fine. If your purpose is to work a job, to stack your money, to start your business, that's fine. But one thing you have to keep in mind while you're doing all of this, you have to keep your focus, because in this life we're going to always receive distractions. You know, the devil don't want to see none of us do good because we are God's children. So he want to see us destroy one another. He want to see us destroy ourselves and commit suicide and give up and throw in the towel. And he love that. He love to see our weaknesses. So when you get to that point where you're weak, sometimes you just need to reach out or reach within yourself and pick up some more strength so that way you can keep going, because your purpose is worth it. Hold on.